The design concept of Mountaintop Bilpin seeks a boundless residential experience, creating a unique atmosphere of nature as home, home as nature, through a deep integration between space and landscape, allowing us to feel the rhythm of life and the tranquility of harmony and comfort. The resort features 2 residences along a 70-meter rectangular volume. Each one spans 170 square meters and accommodates 8 to 12 guests. A 300 square meter central courtyard with a tranquil reflecting pool connects the 2 units. This versatile space is ideal for yoga sessions, wellness practices, weddings, corporate events, and music gatherings. Nestled atop Mount Tootie in Bilpin, on the northern edge of the Blue Mountains, the resort offers a serene escape into nature. Just 6 kilometers from Bilpin's town center and 90 kilometers from Sydney, this 40-hectare retreat provides breathtaking views and a peaceful environment. Located at the end of Mount Tootie Road, it borders Wollemi National Park, ensuring privacy and immersion in lush wilderness. The interiors combine refined simplicity with Eastern influences, blending raw materials and earthy tones. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interiors with natural light, offering panoramic views. Living areas, bedrooms, and tatami spaces feature soft white and charcoal linens, while kitchens and bathrooms are finished in pristine white stone. Modern amenities such as air conditioning, underfloor heating, and premium appliances ensure maximum comfort. Outdoor bathtubs with mountain views offer the perfect setting for relaxation. The exterior walls, clad in color bond in the monument shade, blend into the natural surroundings, while the tatami volumes with corten steel cladding create a striking contrast. A reflecting pool mirrors the sky and the landscape, creating a serene visual experience, especially at dawn and dusk. Surrounded by untouched nature, the resort offers mesmerizing views of water, light, and mountains, particularly at sunrise and sunset. Mountaintop Bilpin is a secluded retreat that combines innovative design with captivating natural beauty. Its harmonious integration with the environment, modern comforts, and peaceful atmosphere create an unmatched experience, perfect for relaxing, reflecting, and living unforgettable moments. It is a haven to reconnect with nature and find peace.